Welcome to the world of DJI, a leader in drone technology known for its innovation and quality. Their newest release, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, continues this tradition with impressive features packed into a small, portable design. The Mini 5 Pro is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Its compact design meets strict drone regulations, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you enjoy aerial photography or videography, this drone is built to deliver a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. A standout feature of the Mini 5 Pro is its rumored 1-inch camera sensor, which is a major improvement over previous models. This advanced sensor captures clear, detailed images with a resolution of 50 MP, ideal for breathtaking photos of landscapes or close-ups. For video creators, it records in 4K at 120 frames per second, producing smooth, cinematic footage for action scenes or creative projects. Safety is a key focus with an advanced obstacle avoidance system that detects objects effectively even in low light. This feature boosts confidence when flying in tight spaces or tricky environments, allowing users to concentrate on capturing great shots. The drone's extended battery life is another highlight. The standard battery provides 40 to 45 minutes of flight time, while an optional Plus version may extend this to over 50 minutes. This allows users to cover more ground and capture more footage without frequent recharges. For easier control, the Mini 5 Pro includes a GPS tracker and intuitive controls, making it simple to navigate even for beginners. These features ensure a stable and user-friendly flying experience for everyone. Social media creators will appreciate the vertical photo and video capture feature, which uses software to adjust the output for high-quality vertical content without extra effort. Additionally, 32 gigabytes of internal storage reduces the need for external memory, so you can focus on filming without worrying about running out of space. The drone also includes advanced audio recording, with voice command support for hands-free operation and precise button controls for adjusting sound. This makes it a great choice for creators looking to capture both visuals and audio seamlessly. Pricing starts at approximately $850 for the base model, with a Fly More combo option costing around $1,200. With its advanced features and competitive pricing, the Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro combines portability, cutting-edge technology, and ease of use, making it suitable for everyone from beginners to seasoned drone operators. Get ready to explore the skies with this amazing drone.